give me the book. A and B. This straight line is A and B, and underline P and Q. P and Q. Let's have a straight line like this, 55, and A and L. This is X and B and M. Then there is a name. This is the parallel line. It have arrow mark. Okay. This angle is 55 degree, and X and this angle is same because it is the allied angle. අපි ලියනවා එක X same 55 because කෙලින්ම ලියන්න පුළුවන්, directly ලියන්න පුළුවන්. X mean is 55 because allied angle.